Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book hotel room online in Agoda. So first head over to agoda.com and from here you can basically see the search bar. So make sure that you're currently at the hotels section. Now from here, choose what type of stay are you planning to take, if it's overnight or day use stays. And next is select destination or property. And of course, the dates of your stay, or if it's okay for you to have flexible dates. How long do you want to stay and when do you want to travel? Then click on select. And of course, the number of rooms you're going to avail and how many people, how many adults or children are included. Then click on the search button. So, according to our search preference, here are the available hotel rooms that we can book. You can also see here the price and those with free cancellation. So, just browse until you see your preferred hotel room, then click on it. Here you can see photos and summary, and of course, inclusions to this specific hotel, and of course, how much it costs. You can also click on View this deal to know more information. And the next thing, once you've decided you would like to check in on this specific hotel, scroll down and start selecting your room. You can also filter rooms by non smoking, breakfast included, pay later option, and a lot more. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see here the available offers for each rooms. So just choose from the options, then click on the Book Now button. And from here, you must start choosing your payment option if you would pay later or pay now online. Next is fill in the information about who's the lead guest if it's two adults. So which among you two will be the lead guest? And also, if you have special requests, such as if you want or prefer a room that is non smoking or for smoking, and bed setup. And you can see here also the rewards you may get in booking this hotel, also room upgrade deals. And once everything is done, you can proceed to the final step. So, the last thing that you should do is secure this booking by finalizing your payment. So if you choose to pay now, just add in your credit or debit card information if you plan to pay via card. Or if you plan to pay digital payment, you can do so through PayPal and PayPay. And if you plan to pay by monthly payments, here are the payment methods available. And once you choose the payment that you would like to use, make sure that you tick this box, or that is also optional depending on you, and proceed with the payment by clicking on Pay with Payd. Once the payment is done, you should get a confirmation informing you that you have successfully booked or secured your hotel room. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!